Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking these out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So, guys, let's go straight with what we are right here. We are starting with GainX 1200. I'm on 15 minutes time frame and I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. Okay, it is a custom made indicator. So if you're having, you can follow up with what I am doing right here. So this actually started an uptrend right from here, and it had, it played around here for a while, just the way I said it about 2 or 3 days ago. And I said it that if it breaks out above this or at the lower part of the channel, it's going to follow that direction for a while. As we can see, it broke out above it and it bought for a while. It has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out above the resistance zone. So it's trying to go back on downtrend. Okay. The only reason why it will not go back on downtrend is if it breaks out above this resistance zone. That is just the only reason. But for now, it's going to sell if it does not break out above this resistance zone. So we should watch out for that. So you can come in right from here and see how far we can go. Okay, so we should be targeting some specific area. Okay, so sorry, I'm going to be using a different color for the TP. Okay, so we can target here first, then this and this. Okay, then let me change the color of this. So remember, guys, if it's not going to sell, then it should break out above the resistance zone. So this is very, very important. And this can be your stop loss. This is your entry point. So wait for it to be activated before you jump into the trade. Okay. So this should sell. This should sell, except if it breaks out below, above the resistance zone. The next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999, and I analyzed this asset in the morning. I said if it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy more. You can see it was unable to break out from here, even here, but later on went back and break out above it, and you can see it's buying. Okay, so that is exactly what I explained earlier. So it is already going already. You can wait for the pullback, or probably we do this. Okay, let's do something different. Okay. Okay, let me do this, guys. I'm going to change the color of this to the entry point color, which is going to be the aqua blue color. So this can be your entry point coming. Okay, this can be your entry. So once it's activated, then you jump into the trade and use this as your stop loss, somewhere here as your stop loss. Then your TP, your first TP is cool at this point. Then your second TP should be somewhere here. And the third TP, I'm going to target this region, so I think that's cool. And if it breaks out from there, this can be your fourth TP. Okay, so that is it. So that is also another trading opportunity. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be PayNext 999. PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 1200. Okay, and just where we have seen it, this tried to sell right from here, but you can see it has been having some issues around here. Okay, just where we are seeing it. So I am actually expecting it to break out from there. So if it breaks out from this region, guys, then definitely it's going to sell. But if it does not, it will find it difficult to sell at that particular point. Okay, so this is very, very important. So I'm going to say you come in after the breakout and you can leave your stop loss somewhere here. Okay, and this can still be your TP, your first TP, while your second TP should be adjusted a bit to somewhere here. Then the third TP, okay, um, right here should be your fourth TP, okay? Your fourth TP should be somewhere here. So this should be more of a selling opportunity, except if this is not activated and it goes back to breakout above the resistance zone. So we expect it to sell more, guys. We expect it to sell more. So the next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is PayNext 999. This actually started a downtrend right from here, even though there are pullbacks in between, which are major ones, but it's more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. It has gotten to this region, and of course, it's trying to have another pullback. Once it is done with that, it's going to sell, except if the pullback turns out to be a total change in the direction of the trend. But for now, it is still buying until the pullback is over. Okay, so this is still buying right now until the pullback is over. That is when it's going to continue with the sell trend or with the downtrend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together, guys. So this is FX volume 80. Earlier today, I told us how we make this particular asset right from here, broke out from this resistance zone to buy more, and it is still buying, guys. It is still buying. If it should break out above this resistance zone, then it will be targeting the next resistance zone. So this is still more of a buying opportunity. Not until it switch from this trend into a downtrend, that is when it's going to sell. But for now, it is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So this is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos very well. Practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly subscribe to this channel right away. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.